The selection of plants is dependent on the aesthetics and outlook you want to create within your home. Of course, there is the issue of size and maintenance. One would definitely not want to see a plant wither away, as that would create a sense of negativity. Greenery within the household not only adds purity to the air but also wealth, health and love. Feng Shui is an art that patronizes keeping plants within homes. Don't fret if you have just begun to explore the wonders of this innocuous concept. This article offers you an insight into some of the home-friendly plants that can help you make a foray into saving the ecological balance whilst also bringing you a generous dose of fortune. 1. Palms. Though the size of the palm plants can be sometimes intimidating as an indoor plant, but then now the palms can be grown with controlled size. Even the smaller version of palm is available in nursery and gardens. Palm trees have the power to enhance the aesthetic of space with its beautiful personality. It is also believed to attract positive energy and radiate it around it. Palms also activate or add any inactive or missing positive energy in the home. 2. Pachira money tree. The money tree produces positive energy and brings in prosperity and wealth into the home. Money trees are made by braiding many money plants when it is still young and tender. However, it is advisable to braid together odd number of money plants to create one money tree. Even numbers of money plants are not considered to be auspicious. The best thing about money tree is that it can grow easily, require moderate sunlight and water, and is a low-maintenance plant. 3. Money plant. How often have you asked people, which plant is lucky for home? And pat came the reply, money plant. Well, according to Feng Shui, the money plant, apart from bringing good luck and money, also harmonizes the human existence with the surroundings. Known to have deep roots and vibrant growth, this plant oozes positive energy. The money plant has smooth and round-edged leaves that are clustered, which according to Feng Shui is a great sign of luck. 4. Lucky bamboo. Feng Shui considers bamboo to bring in immense luck in home. Each bamboo stalk has its own importance, and its arrangement holds significance, and has specific role to play in your home. Keep the bamboo stalk in a vase with stones and water. To bring in happiness, wealth and longevity, put 3 stalks in the vase. 5 stalks are for wealth, 6 stalks for good luck, 7 is for health, for growth it is 8, and 10 is for everything you want from life. If you want to bring in great health and wealth in your home, opt for large vase with 21 bamboo stalks in it. Take a good care of the plant, change water regularly and keep it out of too much of sunlight. Lucky bamboo grows well in moist and cool climate. 5. Snake plant. Popularly known as mother-in-law, this plant has the ability to remove the toughest of toxins from the air, acts as natural air purifier, and also adds natural humidity in air when in group. The cleaning character of this plant makes it a must for every home, especially in today's world where air is laden with pollutants and is full of pollution. This plant is considered to be a good luck plant because of its ability of absorbing and cleaning the home from toxins and poisonous gas. 6. Jade plant. Green and luxurious jade plant can live long in right condition and with minimum care, and is believed to bring home good luck, success and prosperity along with it. You can give it to your loved ones as a thoughtful gesture too. As far as your home is considered, you may keep this plant near the entrance, and it will attract success, prosperity and good luck inside your home. 7. Potted orchids. The Greeks during the ancient times associated orchid with fertility and virility. They knew the magical quality of this fragrantly fresh and beautiful flower, which is believed to bring in love, rekindle romance and deepen the friendship, keeping it alive. The presence of orchid in the home soothes the soul and brings in peace. and where there is love and peace, property resides there. 8. Tulsi or Basil. It is no doubt that Tulsi holds tremendous religious and mythological significance in the Hindu philosophy. But the root of this significance is its properties of purification, eradicating negative energy, killing bacteria and stimulating positivity. It is also believed that meditating in front of the plant could awaken passion in human beings, and fills a sense of calmness when it is eaten. 9. Peace lily. Native to tropical Americas, peace lily as per Feng Shui is considered as a fortune plant. It has the ability to cleanse all types of environmental contaminants. It thrives best in shade, and needs very little light. The plant also grows well in artificial light, producing white flowers, and needs to be watered approximately once a week. Given that it is low maintenance and equally striking in appeal, it is ideal for office spaces and also homes. 10. Rubber plant. The leaves of rubber plants represent wealth and money. Rubber plants grow well indoor, and can be placed in any spot to reap the benefits from it. However, it is advisable to place the rubber plant in the wealth corner of your home. That is in the southeast area of the room, or in the entrance hall of your home to reap the maximum benefit from it. And assure that your house is filled with wealth and prosperity all through 2019.